In this video, you will learn about adverbs of manner. This topic is a part of adverbs. Adverbs of manner tell us how something happens. For example, quickly, slowly, or softly. They are usually placed after the main action word or at the end of a sentence. For example, she sings softly. The adverb can also be in the middle of a sentence if more information is added to the sentence. For example, he ran quickly to school. The position of the adverb is important when there is more than one action in a sentence.
Let us look at the sentence, I kicked the ball once. In this sentence, there is one action word, kicked. Let us add the adverb only to the sentence and see how the meaning of the sentence changes depending on where it is placed. Let us look at the sentence where the adverb only is placed next to the action word kicked. I only kicked the ball once. This sentence means that the speaker did not do anything other than kicking the ball. If you place only after the verb kicked, for example, I kicked only the ball once, it means that the speaker did not kick any other ball. If you place only after the noun ball, for example, I kicked the ball only once, it means that the speaker did not kick the ball 2 times, he kicked it only once.
Let us look at the sentence, she agreed to retype the letter. In this sentence, there are 2 action words, agreed and retype. Let us add the adverb quickly and see how, where it is placed, changes the meaning of the sentence. She quickly agreed to retype the letter. Quickly adds more meaning to the action word agreed. It means that she agreed quickly, but there is no mention of when she would complete the other action of retyping the letter. Placing the adverb quickly before the verb retype means that she has agreed and the action of retyping the letter will be quick. Now you know about adverbs of manner and how the meaning changes depending on where the adverb is placed in a sentence.